Strong security and quick access matter when protecting your firearm at home. Best pistol safe for home options combine durable steel construction, biometric entry, and compact storage to keep your handgun secure while staying ready when needed. Choose a model that fits your space, access preference, and daily routine perfectly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BILLCONCH Nightstand Pistol Safe for Home. The BILLCONCH Nightstand Pistol Safe for Home is designed for gun owners who want a compact and reliable storage solution without sacrificing accessibility. Its portable size makes it an excellent option for bedrooms, vehicles, office drawers, or bedside tables where quick access matters most. Even though the safe has a small footprint, it still provides enough room to hold 2 standard-sized pistols, along with smaller valuables like jewelry, cash, passports, or documents. This balance between portability and storage capacity makes it practical for everyday home defense needs. One of the standout features is the biometric fingerprint access system. The fingerprint scanner responds quickly and helps eliminate the hassle of fumbling with keys during emergencies. Along with biometric access, the safe also supports PIN entry, giving users flexibility depending on their preference. The advanced biometric chip adds an extra layer of security while keeping access simple and efficient for authorized users. Families with children will especially appreciate the added protection and secure locking system. Durability is another strong point of this pistol safe. The shell is made from hard carbon steel that feels solid and resistant to tampering. The coating is thick and durable, helping protect the safe from scratches and wear over time. Number 2. LANGGERV Sliding Pistol Safe for Home. The LANGGERV Sliding Pistol Safe for Home is built for firearm owners who value discreet storage, solid protection, and rapid access. Its vertical slider design sets it apart from many traditional handgun safes, allowing it to fit comfortably under desks, beside beds, inside cabinets, or mounted on walls. This compact layout keeps the firearm hidden while still making it accessible during emergencies. The safe is designed to fit most standard handguns up to 9.5 inches long, along with an extra magazine, making it suitable for many popular pistol models. One of the strongest features of this safe is its heavy-duty construction. Weighing around 12.5 pounds, it feels noticeably sturdier than many lightweight alternatives. The 16-gauge carbon steel body adds durability and provides resistance against tampering or forced entry. The anti-impact latch system further improves security by helping keep the safe locked securely under pressure or impact. This rugged build gives users greater confidence when storing firearms around the home. The digital PIN access system is designed for quick and dependable firearm retrieval. Unlike some biometric safes that may struggle with rough fingerprints or inconsistent scans, the keypad offers consistent access every time. Number 3. AIRMuch Carbon Pistol Safe for Home. The AIRMuch Carbon Pistol Safe for Home offers a combination of portability, fast access, and dependable security for firearm owners who want versatile protection. Its compact size makes it suitable for use in bedrooms, vehicles, office spaces, or while traveling, yet it still provides enough room to store up to 3 compact pistols, along with small valuables such as documents, jewelry, or cash. The lightweight construction makes transportation simple, while still maintaining a sturdy feel thanks to its durable carbon steel body. A major advantage of this handgun safe is its triple unlock system. Users can access the safe using fingerprint recognition, a digital password, or traditional backup keys. This flexibility ensures that access remains available in different situations, while also adding layers of convenience. The biometric fingerprint scanner is designed for fast recognition with a response time of around 1 second, allowing users to retrieve their firearm quickly during emergencies. The digital keypad adds another dependable option, especially for households with multiple authorized users. Security is further improved through the anti-theft steel cable included with the safe. Number 4.
ONNAIS Handgun Pistol Safe for Home. The ONNAIS Handgun Pistol Safe for Home is designed to provide secure firearm storage with simple and dependable access. Its compact size makes it ideal for bedrooms, nightstands, closets, or office spaces where quick access and discreet placement are important. The safe is large enough to store a handgun along with additional valuables like cash, passports, jewelry, or important documents. For users who prioritize home defense while maintaining firearm safety, this safe offers a practical and easy-to-use solution. One of the most impressive features is the fingerprint access system. The biometric scanner allows authorized users to unlock the safe with a quick touch, eliminating delays during emergencies. The fingerprint recognition system is designed to provide reliable access while keeping unauthorized users out. This feature is especially useful for people who prefer faster entry compared to traditional keys or manual locks. In addition to biometric access, the safe also includes an electronic keypad and mechanical backup keys, creating a dependable dual-access system. If the batteries run low or the electronic system becomes unavailable, the manual key still provides reliable entry.
Number 5. VOMLOR Humidity Pistol Safe for Home. The VOMLOR Humidity Pistol Safe for Home stands out by combining firearm security with smart bedside functionality. Unlike many standard handgun safes, this model doubles as a modern clock safe with a bright LED display that shows the time, humidity, temperature, battery level, and biometric lock status. This multifunctional design allows it to blend naturally into bedroom setups while still keeping firearms and valuables secure. Its discreet appearance makes it less noticeable than traditional gun safes, which can be beneficial for privacy and security. One of the most appealing features is the range of quick access options. Users can unlock the safe using fingerprint recognition, a customizable PIN code, or backup keys. The biometric scanner is designed for fast and accurate recognition, making emergency access smoother and more reliable. The PIN code system adds flexibility for households with multiple authorized users, while the backup keys provide reassurance if electronic access is unavailable. This combination creates a dependable balance between convenience and protection. The built-in LED interior light is another practical feature. During nighttime access, the light automatically illuminates the contents of the safe, making it easier to locate firearms or valuables without turning on room lights. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.